So I was starting to look up on colleges on Canada, and I saw Conestoga College that had my first course, social media marketing program, and that's how I've been here, and so far so good. I love all the interactions and the education system they have. So actually being here in Canada is a dream of mine. Not that long. It was not a dream when I was little, but when I was almost graduating from university. I'm actually studying broadcasting, performance, and digital media. The professors actually get to know each student individually because we all learn in different ways, and that's why I really love about this program. I have almost like 5 professors that they are really famous here in Canada. I didn't know until I was actually here, and I showed them to one of my Canadian friends, and they were like, oh, I actually woke up with them when I was like really young. They were famous journalists here. So for me, that was like really awesome. Community here at Conestoga College, it's really warming because we're actually almost new. Like most of the students are international. So if you meet new people on the cafeteria, on an event, you're gonna be able to notice that we're almost all on the same page and we get to learn from each other. Even tips on how to do groceries, tips on how to learn for your course and things like that. So for me, I used to go a lot to the breathing space. The breathing space is kind of like a space that you have when you're stressing too much. You can paint, you can do a puzzle. The biggest lesson for me is to be positive. Even though that I'm not seeing the results yet and I don't see like an ending on the tunnel I'm in right now, to be positive and having like a good mentality usually helps me out to get out of there and to see good results. If you ask me, I'm proud of myself. I'm super proud of myself actually, that I can cry right now.